Audi has recently released the full model year changes for the 23 lineup, so let's go ahead and take a look at what changed for the 2023 Audi Q7 and SQ7. So for 23, the Audi Q7 as a whole receives quite a few changes, especially in comparison to some of the other Audi products. So let's not waste time and get right into what changed. So starting out, the Audi Q7 45 receives a new 4-cylinder engine with 261 horsepower, which represents a 13 horsepower increase from the previous model year. Next up, the Q7 45 receives new Matrix design LED headlights included in the Premium Plus trim level, and the Q7 55 receives Matrix design headlights as standard equipment. Next up, the Prestige trim level for both the Q7 55 and the SQ7 received the Remote Park Assist Plus feature. Then the Premium trim level for the Q7 45 and Q7 55 see the addition of Adaptive Cruise Assist with lane guidance in its convenience package. Then a new interior package which adds leatherette with stitching to the dashboard is standard across all Q7 models. The Premium Plus trim level for all models sees the addition of leatherette with stitching applied to the armrest as well as the center console. And moving on to the exterior color palette, Audi has replaced a few colors with new ones. So the first one is Waymo Blue Metallic is replacing Galaxy Blue Metallic, Tamarin Brown Metallic is replacing Beryl Brown Metallic, and Satellite Silver Metallic is replacing Floret Silver Metallic. So now moving on to the SQ7 specific changes, the first one is the SQ7 receives dual pane glass as part of the executive package. Next up, at the end of this year, which I assume will be calendar year, 22-inch wheels will become an option on the SQ7, which says it is available for the first time ever. And as far as those 22-inch wheels go, there's going to be two different designs available. The first one is a matte platinum wheel, and the second one is an anthracite black diamond cut wheel for the black optic package. And Audi states that both of these 22-inch wheels will be paired to a summer performance tire. Now what that tire is, we don't know yet, but just know that both of the 22-inch optional wheels coming later this model year will be paired to a summer tire. So now moving on to pricing for the Q7 and SQ7. Starting out with the Q7 45 premium trim, this starts at $59,395, and the Premium Plus is $64,095, both including destination. Now this represents a $2,900 increase for the premium trim and a $4,200 increase for the Premium Plus. Moving on to the Q7 55, the 2023 premium starts out at $64,995. The Premium Plus starts out at $69,195, and the Prestige starts out at $75,195, all including destination. These represent a $2,600 increase for the Premium, a $3,200 increase for the Premium Plus, and a $2,000 increase for the Prestige. And finally, wrapping up with the SQ7, the Premium Plus is now $90,395, and the Prestige is now $95,695, including destination. And this represents a $2,700 increase for the Premium Plus and a $3,000 increase for the Prestige over the 2022 model year. So that's going to wrap up this video as far as the Q7 and SQ7 changes for the 23 model year. If you guys found this video helpful, please hit that like button. It greatly helps out these videos and the channel. And if you guys are new, please hit that subscribe button and check out some of the other content that is currently available. We have other model year change videos, side-by-side review comparison videos, as well as automotive related how-to content. So I'm actually filming this video inside a 2021 Q7 55 Premium, and I have to say this trim level is already very nice as far as the standard equipment goes. So the stuff they did to the 2022 model year and 23 are definitely going to make it even more competitive within this segment. And overall, it's still a very nice vehicle. So leave a comment down below and let me know what you guys think of these changes. And if you happen to own a Q7, let me know what your ownership experience has been like with the vehicle. I don't have a lot of experience with the recent Audi vehicles, so I'd love to hear how your experience has been. But overall, I think they are pretty solid vehicles and have definitely a nice design to them. So once again, hopefully you found this video helpful, and as always, I hope to see you in the next video.